Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Bloxstrap on your PC quickly and easily. First, open any web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type Bloxstrap and press enter. From the search results, open the official Bloxstrap website. Once you're on the website, scroll down until you see the download section. Click the download Bloxstrap button. If any advertisement or pop-up appears, simply close it. Scroll down a little further and download the latest version, such as Bloxstrap v29.1. After the download is complete, open the installer by double-clicking the downloaded file. If prompted, choose your preferred language and click OK. Next, click Next and keep the default settings. If you'd like to install Bloxstrap in a different location, click Browse and select your preferred folder. Then click Install. Once the installation is finished, launch Roblox through Bloxstrap. As you can see, Roblox opens successfully, and Bloxstrap is now installed on your computer. That's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.